Hey guys, welcome to Negosyo Lang Tayo Business Tip. Tip number 2, focus on repeat customers. So in every small communities, loyal customers are everything. Okay, so etong mga loyal customers na to, ito yung mga customers na binabalik-balikan yung business mo, yung nagugustuhan yung business mo at mga produkto mo. They might not buy in a daily basis, but they will buy to you in a weekly basis. Okay, you can see them, they can buy in your store maybe twice or thrice in a week. So these are your regular customers. Ang matatawag nyong suki. So, ano ba yung mga strategies para makip nyo sila or para mapadami nyo yung mga suki nyo sa business nyo? Number 1, give small freebies. Hindi masama magbigay ng freebies, lalong-lalo na sa mga loyal customers nyo. Number 2, remember regular customers. These regular customers are your source of income. Ito yung mga constant nyo na araw-araw or weekly nagdadala ng income sa inyo. So, remember them. Remember their names, remember their faces. Always smile at them and give them good customer service experience. And number 3, offer suki discounts. So for example, nakatatlong balik na sila sa inyo within the week, pwede nyo silang bigyan ng isang small free item or maybe 20 pesos or 10 pesos discount sa mga future purchases nila. Again, these are your suki and you need to give them value. And always remember, Filipinos value friendly service a lot. Follow for more.